Hello everyone, welcome back again. I discuss about a lot of topic. So now I have been selecting a few topic to discuss, but I was not able to see a recent related topic. So now I got few of the questions from my relatives, from my friends, and like lot of sources. So I come to a conclusion about discussing one thing, that is what to choose after class 12th. There are a lot of students who are following the previous trend of 10-15 years back, and I see those things are irrelevant these days. So I thought to discuss about this thing. I have one of my younger brother who is also in the same dilemma, and I have advised the same thing to him. So the same I am going to advise here also, whoever is listening. So after 12th, as for me, a previous trend was that going for any graduation colleges or post graduation colleges and going for academic courses, irrespective of their life goals, irrespective of what they want to do. But now things are little bit changed, not little bit, completely. I can say completely it's been changed, because I am in this corporate industry since last 3-4 years, and what I understood, what I look for hiring peoples in my organization, that I don't look for any kind of degree or kind of thing, where personally I believe that degree is a kind of like it's a waste of time, because after class 12 the student who is in his peak time, but he is going into a outdated school colleges degree, where he is not able to expose to the world, where this time he's supposed to expose to the world. People say like get out in the sun and explore yourself. So what my advice specifically, it will be after class 12 a student should go out and explore his willingness, explore his field. It is not a specific thing that time. By mentally a student will not be ready to choose any specific field. I would like to advise that go out for a exploring trip or something in your nearby, or in somewhere you wish to go, and check and have a reality check with the world. If you cannot go outside India, then you can be in India or whoever country you belongs to. You can be in your locality and you can explore yourself, that what kind of things, what is the market needs, and what kind of things are relevant in today's thing. It is not like you will be, after going for a trip or after exploring few places, you will be getting a resolution. It is not like that, but you will be getting a kind of sense of clarity in your mind, that if you are being conserved in one place, then your mind is also conserved. So you don't conserve your mind, don't be a conservative person, you be extraordinary, you be a exploited person, so that you experience the world and then you take a decision. Without experiencing the world, if you are taking any decision which might go wrong, otherwise also which might go wrong, but you will be experiencing the things. So explore the things, then go out in the sun and check what things are relevant for you. My specific advice in that case, I don't demean the education system, but it's my choice completely. The people cannot, like a lot of people who will not be agreeing with me. As per my choice, that don't go for any kind of degree colleges or post graduation colleges. Go and explore any companies, any fields where you can, any freelancing job or kind of thing. If you get an internship, which will be the best option, I can say. Get an internship job somewhere in this company, in any company, any part of the country where you belongs to, and if it is paying you, it's well and good. But if it is not paying you also, you do it for free for 6 months, for 1 year. You will be getting the kind of knowledge, kind of experience you will be getting. You will be amazed that in your 3 years, 4 years degree, you will not be able to get such kind of thing. But again, I am clearing one fact. If you have specific kind of thing that you wants to do certain kind of thing which can be only done through the college education, then my advice would be strongly that you go and do that degree, study in that degree, get involved in that. But otherwise, you explore yourself by joining any organization, a real-time organization, because till 12th you get enough knowledge, you have enough educational exposure. Now only thing that you have to apply your skills, and you have to develop your skill set, and this is the best time to develop the skill set. Skill set in the sense like any kind of, it might be related to your study, it might be related to your passion, it might be related to your like any kind of thing which you wants to explore, you can explore. So one, first you have, if you have like in any organization you have 1 year or 6 months of any internship degree, then you will be in a position to judge yourself that which field you are good at. Then I will be strongly recommending you to go for some online degrees, online courses which is specific to that domain. You don't need to study everything to be an expert. To be an expert, it's a evolution. So you need to be in that specific evolution. You don't need to try out everything. If you go for a degree colleges, there will be 6 to 7 subjects in each semester. You don't need to do that. You need to do, you have, after doing an internship or any kind of thing, you have got your clarity in your mind, then now you have to choose any kind of online degree or any kind of distance degree which teach you. It's not only by the sake of getting the degree, it's in the sake of like building the expertise in you. So that also, that you have to make sure that that degree also teaches you a lot of things. So best thing will be going for any online degrees which teaches you, and at the same time you don't need to leave your job. Whatever the thing you have done in your internship, go ahead and explore more things, more companies, more organizations. And it is not only that you have to go for companies, you can also do freelancing job. Whatever the field that you think that you can do it, you explore this thing and get involved in this thing, develop the qualities so that people will eventually pay you for that, to get this thing done. To recommend you few freelancing things, I would strongly suggest for internship you can check out internshala.com. It's an app also, you can check it out, Internshala. And for freelancing work you can check freelance.com, you can check Upwork, you can check fiverr.com. So these are the freelancing work that you can do. And like you can these websites details also, if you want, you can check it in description. I will put the link over there so that at least if someone interested, you can try it out. These are worth doing thing, because nowadays I see lot of people who are leaving their full-time job and doing this thing, because in this thing the opportunities are endless. You have, the complete world is your market if you are doing in this category. In this freelancing thing, in this Internshala kind of thing, the complete world is your market. So there is, you have ocean of opportunities. So I hope this things clarifies. Again, I am telling, I am not demeaning any education system. It's based on individual thought, and my thought is like this. And you will be having your specific thought. Before taking any kind of decision, consult with your elder ones, and consult with any counseling expert who can suggest you better in terms of your capabilities and your experience. But after all, after everything, decision should be yours. It should not be forced on you. The decision, you have to take it. External pressure, you have to let go of all this thing, and you have to take your decisions. Thank you.